everyone, welcome back to a new video. So in today's video, I'll be showing how to make a zombie game. So first off, I've gotten all my sprites ready. You will need a wall. This is what the zombie is going to try breaking. Need to have a zombie, of course. A ground. This is just for like props. You don't really need a ground, but I just put it in there. You need a bullet, which will be created as a clone to kill the zombies. And you'll need a tank. So what happens is that, sorry, just messed up. So what you need to do is first go to, we could make some movements. So first make it to the, when right arrow key pressed, we could change X by 10. Duplicate that block, make a left arrow, and change X by -10. We could also switch costume to normal, add in a if then. Also, if you may have noticed, I have created like a extra costume. I'm just trying to get it to be in detail. Flip horizontal. Now what you want to do is if it's like if go to operators, if right arrow not pressed, then we switch costume to normal 1. When we could just duplicate this and add in a switch costume to normal 2, so that would just be left. And also make it so that when clicked, go to X -148 and Y -55. Then what you want to do is make it so that it switches to normal 1. So now if we tested it out, we can see we can move properly, but the problem is we forgot to change it into right arrow key not pressed. Make sure this is left. Make sure, yeah, that's it. So if we tried it, there, it works. So now what we want to do is program like a shot fired. So if E key pressed, we could just make it E key. Then create a clone of bullet, and also make sure to, when clicked, actually no, remove the when clicked, add in a, when right arrow key pressed, go to the X position of let's just add in a go to block, oh wait, no, sorry, not a go to block, add in a set X to go to click it as tank, X position of tank. So if we tried it, there we go. So as we can see, it works. Now we could do the same for the other one. So next what we could do is, when I start as a clone, we change change x by 10. So repeat 50 times. Add in a if then. If keep it at the bottom of the if touching edge, then delete this clone. Let's check if it works. So it works. There. Yeah, it works. So now what you want to do is go back to tank and make sure we wait at least like 0.5 seconds, because then your game's going to get a bit laggy. So make sure the wait 0.5 seconds is below the create clone. So yeah, so now it works. Yeah. So now what we could do is let's just remove the wait 0.5 block for right now. And add in so now next what we could do is program the zombie. So when green flag clicked, add in a repeat until touching like until touching the wall. Wall. And also let's add in a variable health for zombie. So make sure health for zombie is set to 100. And also add in if then inside here. Make sure we just change x by -5. If touching bullet, then change zombie health by 50. So next what we could do is if health, I didn't know if then I didn't know if then if I don't know equals if health for zombie equals 0, then broadcast reset. And so when I receive reset, we could just like duplicate this, put that there. So next what we could do is so we make sure when I start as clone, it shows, and then if touching edge, delete this clone and hide. Add in another if then. If touching zombie, then change health for zombie by 50. And then what we could do is make sure the zombie goes to its oops. Make sure just ground is at 0x 0y. Go back to here. We could make the zombie go back there. And then so go to x 219 and y negative 61. And so here, let's try it. So if we press E key, it doesn't work because the bullet is invisible. So create clone a bullet. When I start as clone, I press show and make sure that when clicked, it hides. Let's just try that. No, it still doesn't work. So what happens here is that we already have a double, so let's try it out. If we press show, it doesn't show because there is no bullet. The bullet has been like hidden. Let's just move it to 0. Yeah, there it is. It was just missing. We can move the right by the barrel. So when clicked, we need to make sure it goes, oh no, oops, sorry. When clicked, it goes to negative x negative 139 and y negative 40. So now if we try it, let's just try it. Oh no. What happens here is it's actually adding by 50. Sorry, my mistake. Keep on forgetting that. Negative 50. There. So now the zombies keeps on dying. What we could just do is just add in like a wait 0.5 second block, because then there would be like delays. There. So yeah, that's mostly it for today's video. I will make another episode for a shop, and yeah, thanks for watching. Bye.